Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon UPI Pay. Getting started is super easy. First, open your Amazon app and head over to the Amazon Pay section. You'll see an option for Amazon UPI. Just tap it to begin. The app will then verify your mobile number, which must be linked to your bank account. After that, simply select your bank from the list and create a secure 6-digit UPI PIN. You'll be ready to transact in just a few moments. Sending money with Amazon UPI is incredibly convenient. You have several options. Send funds directly to a contact, use a UPI ID, or even transfer to a bank account. Just enter the correct details for your recipient and the amount you wish to send. You can send as little as 1 rupee or up to 1 lakh rupees in a single transaction. Finally, confirm your payment with your secure UPI PIN, and the money will be transferred instantly. Amazon UPI Pay makes paying for goods and services effortless. You can easily pay at physical stores by selecting the Scan UPI QR option and scanning any UPI QR code, even from other payment apps. It's also perfect for paying your mobile recharges, utility bills, and of course, for all your shopping on Amazon. Just scan, enter the amount, and authorize with your UPI PIN for a swift and secure payment experience. Amazon UPI Pay offers numerous benefits, combining speed, security, and convenience for all your digital transactions. Every payment is safeguarded by mobile device verification and your unique UPI PIN, ensuring your funds are always secure. You can also easily check your bank balance and review your transaction history within the app. Plus, for purchases from non-Amazon merchants, you're covered by Amazon Pay's A to Z guarantee, providing extra peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.